Unlike with Tropical Storm Irene, western Massachusetts is expected to feel those stronger winds this time around. Where there are winds, of course, there's a threat for power outages. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Nick Bannon's live for us in Springfield this morning to talk about the strength of those winds. Nick.
Well, with Tropical Storm Irene, heavy rains fell on top of already moist ground, causing lots of flooding around western Massachusetts and across New England. Today, it's a different story. We're talking about winds not only today, but tomorrow as well. A high wind warning is in effect for all of western Massachusetts through into tomorrow. Winds could gust as high as 60 miles per hour, which, by the way, is already above tropical storm force strength wind gusts. Now, in preparation for the winds, people have been buying items they expect they'll need during possible power outages. The Home Depot and Chicopee report already selling out of C, D, and 6-volt batteries. Gas tanks are gone, and there's nothing left in the flashlight section except for bare shelves. If you want to buy a generator, good luck. The 52 generators they had sent in that arrived on Saturday at $700 a piece were sold out in minutes. They had to be sold in a ticketing system.
We handed out numbers 1 through 52 of the people that were first in line, and then we just kept bringing them out, calling out their numbers, and they were sold within probably 40 minutes. We don't even know when the next batch will be coming in, unfortunately.
Now, I'm also told that water is in short supply in some of these stores as well. Water, tough to come by in terms of those packaged bottled water. So certainly a good idea to put some aside if you have the ability to do that today. Now, winds are picking up a little bit this morning. Yesterday, we had wind gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Not much of a change this morning, although we did get a 26 mile per hour wind gust within the past hour in Chicopee. And it's only going to get stronger throughout the day. And you can already see the trees, the leaves, and the drizzle floating around behind me. We're going to have updates, and of course you can always send us any pictures of damage that you see near your home if you can do it safely by sending it to report it at wwlp.com. Live in Springfield, meteorologist Nick Bannon, 22 News.